Dear students, today we consider problem number 4, exercise 12.1, NCERT book class 10. The problem 4 given, the wheels of a car are of diameter 80 centimeter each. How many complete revolutions does each wheel make in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at a speed of 66 km per hour? Now, wheel of a car diameter is 80 centimeter. Suppose we consider this is the car. If we consider this is the car, these are wheel. So, wheel of a car are diameter 80 centimeter each. These are diameter 80 centimeter. So, how many complete revolution does each wheel make in 10 minutes? Suppose this is in 10 minutes, this goes in this way. How many rotation we have? Complete revolution. This is one revolution, this another, this another. So, in speed is 66 kilometer. In 66 kilometer, what is the distance? In 66 kilometer per hour, the car traveling 10 minutes. In 10 minutes, we get suppose these two distance. Now the wheel, how many complete revolution? We have to find revolution, how many complete revolution of the wheel. So first we consider about the wheel. Now solution is start. Here diameter of the wheel equal to 80 centimeter. Therefore, radius of the wheel equal to 80 by 2 equal to 40 centimeter. So radius of the wheel is 40 centimeter. Now circumference of the wheel equal to twice pi r. This is 2 pi r means 40 and this will be 80 pi centimeter. Circumference of the wheel is 80 pi. That means suppose this is the wheel, circumference, this length is 80 centimeter, 80 pi centimeter. This boundary length of this. So this one. Now this is in case of wheel. Now we consider speed is given 66 kilometer. So speed equal to 66 kilometer per hour. But in this problem, here given centimeter, but here kilometer, and here given 10 minutes, but here given hour. So we convert this kilometer, convert in centimeter, and hour convert in minute because here minute given. So in 1 kilometer, we know this is 1000 meter. Again, if we convert meter to centimeter, then 100 centimeter. So this will be 5 zeros. 50 centimeter. So 1 kilometer equal to this 1 lakh centimeter. And 1 hour equal to 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. We know this from lower class. So this we convert 66 into 1 lakh. We write 5 zeros centimeter per 60. This is hour means 60 minute. We get this. This 1 zero is cancelled and this 6 also cancelled. We get 11. So we get 11 and 4 zeros. This centimeter. This is the speed of the car. Speed equal to, this is 110000 centimeter. So this is our speed. Now this one is speed of the car. So we know speed equal to distance by time, then distance equal to speed into time. Now what is the distance in 10 minutes? So distance covered the wheel, distance covered the wheel, covered by the wheel in 10 minutes, and distance equal to, we know, speed into time. So this is 110040 zeros into time is 10 minutes. So this will be distance covered by the wheel in 10 minutes equal to 110000. This centimeter. So this is centimeter per minute, and this is this centimeter per minute, and this minute cancel, we get this is centimeter. Distance covered by the wheel in 10 minutes equal to this centimeter. We get this. So suppose this to this distance is 110. This is centimeter. So this is our, suppose, road. Now this car going in this way, this in this way, the car going. So we consider one small car. This is also this in this way, this distance covered. Now how many complete revolution? So this is, suppose we consider this is the wheel, this is circumference is 80 pi. This length is 80 pi. So if we taking this in this way, then this length is 80 pi. So suppose this one revolution, then another revolution, then another revolution. Yes, so we get in this way. So how many complete revolution we get to cover this distance and by this? Therefore the required complete revolution, equal to, this is 1150 divided by, this is 80 pi. 80 pi. We get this. Now 1 0 is cancelled. This is 1 1 4 zeros. This is 80. Pi means 22 by 7. We get this. So this is 1 1 0 0 0 0 and this is 8 22 into 7. So if we cancelling this by 11, we get 2 and this is 1 4 zeros. Again cancelling by 2, then we get 5, this we get this. So ultimately we get 5000 by 8 into 7. Then again if we divide this one, this is 8 6 are 48 and this one 20, 8 2s are 16, then 40, this is 5 into 7. Now if we multiplying this, then 5 7s are 35, this is 14 and 3 17, this is 42 43, 4375, these are answer. So the car number of complete revolution is 4375. So if we consider this revolution in this way, so it revolve 4375. This is our final answer. Very easy solution. Problem is very easy, solution also very easy. Consider problem number 5. This is very easy, very simple. So take the correct answer in the following and justify your choice. If the perimeter and the area of a circle are numerically equal, then the radius of the circle is 2 units, pi units, 4 units, 7 units. This is very easy. No one can say this solution is difficult. So if you are feeling difficult, then you can change my name also. So I hope this will be easy. So now given perimeter and area are equal. So we know that this is easy to write. We know that perimeter of a circle, this is suppose P equal to, or C we can write twice pi r, where r equal to radius of the circle, r equal to radius of the circle. This is perimeter P, or we can write C also. Area and area of a circle, A equal to pi r square. Perimeter is twice pi r and area equal to pi r square. So according to the question, if the perimeter and area of a circle are numerically equal, according to the question, P equal to A given, perimeter and area equal. P means twice pi r, area means pi r square. This pi cancel, 1 r cancel. So this implies we get r equal to 2. Therefore radius is 2 centimeter. Therefore Therefore, radius of the circle equal to 2 units. Centimeter, meter not given, so we have to write radius of the circle 2 units. That means answer A. A is our answer. This is A, 2 units. This is our final answer. So answer is big. If we get big answer, this represent this is the ending of the solution. So dear students, I think the solution is very easy. If you are feeling easy, then please like this video, subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.